How to add a website to your home screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to create a shortcut for any website so you can access it directly from your home screen. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device and navigate to the website you want to add to your home screen. After that, once the site has loaded, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down through the menu and tap on Add to Home Screen. At this point, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the name of the shortcut. You can edit it if you want, or leave it as is, and tap Add. In the next step, the shortcut will be added to your home screen. If you don't see it right away, swipe up to open your app drawer and look for it there. Following this, once you find it, press and hold the shortcut icon and drag it to wherever you want it to sit on your home screen. Finally, tap on it and it will open the website directly in Chrome, just like a regular app. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a website to your home screen on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.